Hi everyone, I'm the Universe. I'm here to teach and help others learn about the place that we call home. We'll be going over just about everything that we know in our universe. This might take a while, but we can take it one step at a time. Let's start with Earth, no doubt the most important planet in our solar system, and that's for one simple reason: water. It allows for life. We're fortunate enough to have a planet that is covered in about 70% of this water. And with Earth being in the habitable or Goldilocks zone, it gets to stay in its liquid form, which for us means that we get to live here on this beautiful planet. As for the conditions on the surface, there are many different seasons and extremes. The 4 seasons as we know them come from the planet's axial tilt, which on its most basic level means that we have sunlight at different points and at different times. Our tilt on this planet is about 23.4 degrees. Other planets might have more or less, but for us, it allows us to have the 4 seasons that we know. Talking about the atmospheric composition, most people would assume that our atmosphere is mostly made up of oxygen, based off of the stigma that oxygen is the main portion, but it's actually nitrogen, and by a large factor, nearly 4 times the amount of oxygen. Our atmosphere is composed of about 78% nitrogen, only 21% oxygen, and less than 1% of argon, carbon dioxide, and water vapor, and various other elements, which give us the humidity of different portions of the Earth. One of the more interesting components of the Earth is the magnetic field that protects us from the radiation of the sun. It's created by our molten core comprised of iron and nickel. Without this, we would all surely die. The magnetic field that is created from our core allows for the radiation to pass us by without damaging our planet. Imagine how bad of a sunburn you would get if there was no ozone and no magnetic field protecting the Earth. You would nearly burn instantaneously the moment your skin made contact with the sun. Something else to think about are the poles, which are the magnetic north and south. Eventually, they flip, although this takes thousands and thousands of years. Our magnetic field is called the magnetosphere, which is also where the aurora borealis, and the beautiful colors that are associated with those come from in the north and south poles. They're more commonly known as the northern lights, and they're usually green or pink, but can also be other colors. All of the conditions that we have met here, including the water and the seasons and the tilt, allow for us to live here on this planet in a way that should not be a possibility.